Alright, welcome back. This is Michael, and right now we're going to talk about the local WP. So let's go ahead and see how to download and install local WP on your computer. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to download the local WP and install the local WP on our computer and see its user interface. So right now I'm going to show you the the website where we can download the local WP. So I'm gonna type here local WP, and you will see the official website for local WP, and I'm gonna select this one, and then it will show us the main page for the local WP local hosting, or let's say server, or our WordPress development tool. So I think this is a product of the WP engine, because let's see. Okay, so let's read some information. So as you can see, we can download it for free, and yes, we have the live links, also the automatic WordPress installation, the local connection, cloud backup. All right, so there are more information regarding this, and I'm not sure if the company behind this is the WP engine. Okay, so let's try and click the WordPress hosting. We might have some idea. So it is the WP engine, a product of WP engine, since they are the one who will help you migrate your files to a hosting website, and that's the WP engine. So you can try and do some research about this if you want to know more about the WP, the local WP. But right now, what we are going to do is to download the plugin, or sorry, not the plugin, the software. Okay, so right now I just click the download button, and we can choose right here what operating system are we using as of the moment. So right now I'm gonna download Windows, and it will require you to enter your email, your name and email, and it will be sent to you through your email. Okay, so I've done this already, so I will gonna skip this part, and we'll install the installer or the software through this tab. Actually, it's already open, just to make sure that it works. And what I'm going to do now is show you how to install it. Okay, so I'm installing it right now, so it might take some time before it completes. So I'm gonna pause the video, and we'll resume again when it is finished. Okay, so the installation now is complete, and I have used already the local WP in my previous videos, and right now what I did is I reinstalled it again. So I'm gonna hit finish and let the run local to be checked, and right now let's see what will happen next. Remember to turn off your SAMP first. If you already if you are using the SAMP server, you have to turn it off first so that there will be no conflict, just in case. So right here is already open, and as you can see, we now have the project that I've created before. Okay, so let me check if this still works. So right now, so let's let it run first. Okay, so all right, so we have to click the start site to make our website to run. Okay, so let me try and start site. This is much more easier than the SAMP server because it already has the automation. Everything that we need for to host the local WordPress is already in this UI or in this dashboard. But the downside is that we will not be able to understand how WordPress works using the actual server. Actually, this one too is a server, but it is specially made for WP engine, and of course we can run a lot of things, a lot of design using this one. But I am afraid that later on they will ask for payment just to use this particular software, because there are open source before, but later on they had to change the promo to the payment, or I mean later on there was payment. Okay, so right now what we are going to use is the SAMP server, but I want you to see how this works with the local WP. Okay, I'm gonna open the site, and you will see you don't need to open anything just to see your website. I have created this design before, and I want to show you one of the design that I did using this local WP. But of course, we're not going to make this one or recreate this one. We're gonna create a new one. And though this is a good platform, this local WP, but yes, just as I've said, maybe later they will ask for payment. Okay, so I think there is the cloud connection, cloud to the platform, blueprints, and add-ons. If you want to try this one, you can do so. And as you can see, there are a lot of extension, so you can try and create. But just I've told you, take note that someday they will ask for payment. Okay, it is not impossible, but it is possible that one day they will require every user to pay. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, and later I want to show you how to build our website using the XAMPP or the SAMP server. Okay, so we're gonna use SAMP instead of this one to make sure that our course will still be relevant after a few time. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna finish this lesson, and we will proceed to the next. All right, so you can try and download it and see for yourself how it's done. And it's just simple, like just like press some keys, and you will be able to deploy your WordPress. Okay, all right, so let's proceed to our next lesson. Goodbye.